really excited because the Pacers Sports and Entertainment today gave us such a relevant topic that the students are already like immediately getting into it. And we're talking about how to better utilize the Kroger Sky Deck. A lot of kids love marketing, they love publicity, and so they're gonna be able to give them some really good ideas. I know that they're gonna be blown away by what some of the students come up with.
Today has been awesome. It's so inspiring to have young people, juniors and seniors in high school, thinking about creativity and innovation. I'm inspired to come up with new ideas myself. To hear already some of the preliminary thoughts that the young people are bringing is excellent. I'm so happy to have this partnership with STARTedUP Foundation, G-Unity Foundation, and Pacers Sports and Entertainment to bring together these students from 6 different high schools in Indianapolis. It's a unique opportunity to really kind of think about some of the ideas that they have probably thought about individually. So I can't wait for the next step to hear some of the ideas.
As I'm shooting idea, they're just writing it down, and it's just amazing. And right now I'm excited. I'm very excited to be here, and I cannot wait to see what we come up with as a group. And everyone in my group is very welcoming, and they are very, very great. And the ideas are amazing, and I just love it to be here. I just love it. I love it.
Hi, I'm Aaliyah Boston. I'm here with the Indiana Fever, and I'm at STARTedUP Foundation. I'm super excited to be here. I think it's a great opportunity being able to hear from the high schoolers on their creative ideas about being an entrepreneur, and honestly it's just so special because I see that the future is bright for everyone.
Hi, my name is Genesis Austin. I go to Speedway High School. We are the next generation to move up into society, and it'd be nice for us to start getting views younger, so when we get older it's not all about complaining.
Hi, my name is Carrie Hamilton. I'm a state representative on the north side of Indianapolis, and I've been inspired this morning to hear from these high school kids who bring such thought and creativity to the challenges they were presented today. We're really excited about the work of the STARTedUP Foundation and look forward to working with them at the State House to help bring great opportunities to our young people.
Hi, my name's Caroline Abaletta. I'm the co-founder of Explorador, and Explorador is a nonprofit organization with a mission to connect young adults, particularly middle school to high school, teenagers, to career enrichment opportunities, work-based learning experiences. And so our hope is that we can inspire students to go explore different career opportunities on Explorador, and specifically at STARTedUP to consider how to innovate, solve problems, and be part of a brighter future for everybody.
I think it's been a great experience. I've really enjoyed being here with everyone and meeting new people, brainstorming with others, and learning how to work together better. I think students should come up with solutions versus complaints, because that's just the way life works. Complaining doesn't get you anywhere, but innovation does.